I am R.P. Tripathi, Professor Mathematics from KNIT Sultanpur. The topic of this lecture is change of order of integration. Change of order of integration means we have to change the order of integration within the given condition. Sometimes evaluation of double integrals becomes easier by changing the order of integration. To change the order of integration, first the region of integration is drawn with the help of given limit. Then the vertical or horizontal step is drawn as per the required order of integration. This change of order of integration also change the limit of integration. This change order of integration it is repeated. Change of order of integration it is repeated. Please omit it. It is repeated. Order of integration also change the limit of integration. Example 1, change the order of integration of double integral 0 to x bearing from 0 y bearing from 0 to infinity f x y dx dy. Since it contains the limit x, means it is the limit of y, means here y bearing from it is x is equal to 0, sorry, it is x axis, y is equal to 0 axis, it is y is equal to 0 axis, it is y is equal to 0 line means x axis, it is x axis, it is y axis, it is x here, y bearing from y is equal to x to y tends to infinity, it is the limit of y, x is equal to 0 to x is equal to infinity, x is equal to infinity. This means y is equal to x line is this, y is equal to x line is this, y is equal to x and it is x is equal to 0 line. Means here y having variable limit means we have to convert the limit of variable limit of y in the form of x, means we have to find out the variable limit of x. हमें y की variable limit given है, means we are required to find the variable limit of x. Means we have parallel step, we have given parallel step with respect to parallel limit of y, parallel limit of parallel step we draw parallel limit, it is given parallel limit. We have to find out the parallel limit step parallel to the axis of x, it is y, it is x, y tends to infinity and here x tends to infinity. Means y varying from x to infinity means we have to find out the limit of x, variable limit of x, means we have to find out parallel step parallel to the axis of x. Since variable limit depends on x, the function is integrated first with respect to y and then with respect to x. The correct form of the integral is equal to 0 to infinity x to infinity f x y dy dx. Limit we have already discussed, limit of y is equal to x to y is equal to infinity along the vertical strip, and limit of x is equal to 0 to x is equal to infinity. The region is bounded by the lines y is equal to x and y and x is equal to 0. It is the bounded region, y is equal to x and x is equal to 0, it is the bounded region. It is the bounded region. The only point of intersection is the origin, To change the order of integration, that is to integrate with respect to x, draw a strip parallel to x axis, which start from the line x is equal to 0 and terminate on the line y is equal to x. We draw we have already shown it is this, it is means we have to find out the limit of variable limit of x here, this x is equal to y, means limit of x is equal to 0 to x is equal to y, and limit of y is equal to y is equal to 0 to, it is y is equal to 0 to y is equal to infinity, means the change of order of integration is 0 to x, 0 to infinity, and x to infinity, f x y dy dx is equal to 0 to infinity, and the lower limit of x is 0, upper limit of x is equal to y, means upper limit of x is equal to y, means f x y dx dy. It is the change of order of integration of a given double integral, means if we are required to find the variable limit of x, means we have to draw the parallel strip of with respect to x, means parallel strip parallel to the axis of x. If we are required to find the variable limit of y, means we have to draw a strip parallel to the axis of y. Second example, change the order of integration, integral over 0 to 1 and 0 to second integral 0 to y square f x y dx dy. Since it is the limit of y, it is, since y here it contains y, means it is the limit of x, means x varying from 0 to x is equal to y square and y varying from 0 to 1. The function is integrated first with respect to x and with respect to y, since y having x having variable limit. Since x having variable limit, we integrate with respect to x first, and y contains constant limit, then we integrate with respect to y. The function is integrated first with respect to x and then with respect to y. Limit of x is equal to 0 to x is equal to y square. Limit of y is y is equal to 0 to y is equal to 1. The region bounded by the lines y is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, y is equal to x, y is equal to 0, x is equal to 0, and parabola y square equal to, it is a parabola, y square is equal to x, it is a parabola, it is a parabola, y square is equal to x, or x is equal to y square, means it is x is equal to 0, it is y is equal to 0, means we have this region, it is this region we have, and y is equal to 0 and parabola this. Here y is equal to 1 also, y is equal to 1 also, we have y is equal to 1 here. It is x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 and y is equal to 1. Y is equal to 0, y is equal to 1. It is y is equal to 0, y is equal to 1. It is y is equal to 1 line, this y is equal to 0, y is equal to 1. It is y is equal to 1. It is y is equal to 1. We have already shown in this figure, it is y is equal to 1. It is x is equal to 0, it is y is equal to 0, and it is y square is equal to x. It is a parabola. This means we have variable limit of x, means parallel limit of x is given. To change the order of integration, draw vertical strip parallel to the y axis. Since x variable is given, means we have to already given the parallel limit of variable limit of x, means we have to find out the variable limit of y. To change the order of integration, draw a vertical strip parallel to y axis. Limit of y is equal to root x to y is equal to 1. It is here y is equal to, lower limit of y is equal to root x, and upper limit of y is, it is the parallel strip. We have to find out this, and it is given x varying from x is equal to 0 to x varying from 0 to it is x is equal to 1. The point of intersection of x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1 and y is equal to root x, yeah, or x square is equal to y is 1 1, means x varying from 0 to 1, y varying from 0 to root x to y is equal to 1. Hence, the given integral after change, the order of integration is integral over 0 to 1 and y varying from root x to 1 f x y dy dx. Means if the variable limit of x is given, means we have to find out the variable limit of y. It is the change of order of integration, and if the variable limit of y is given, we have to find out the variable limit of x. Change the order of integration of integral over -1 to 1 0 to y square f x y dx dy. F x y dx dy means this limit is varying, this limit varies as y 0 to y square, means it is variable y, means it is the limit of x, means here x varying from 0 to x is equal to y square and y varies as -1 to y is equal to 1. It is a parabola x is equal to y square, it is a parabola. It is y is equal to 1 line, it is y is equal to -1 line, this, and it is a parabola, means our region divided into two parts, this and this. Since the variable limit of x is given, means we have to find out the variable limit of x, means we have to find a strip parallel to x. It is the it is old limit, means variable limit. It is y varies as here y square is equal to x, means the variable limit of x is given x. We have to find out variable limit of y. Variable limit of y means we draw parallel strip parallel to y. This limit is given x is equal to 0, x is equal to 0 to x is equal to y square is given. It is also, it is 0, origin, it is origin. It is, we have given, it is x is equal to 0 to y square is equal to x, means x is equal to y square. It is given, means we strip parallel to x is given, we have to find out strip parallel to the axis of y, means this. Here this we have a region, this region divided into two parts. If you take parallel strip parallel to the axis of x, strip parallel to the axis of y or axis of x and or axis of y. This means we have this region and this region, means the integral divided into two sub regions. First region is this and second region is this. In this region, in the second region, here y varies as y is equal to -1 to y is equal to y is equal to -1 to minus y is equal to -1 to y is equal to minus root x, and x varies as x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 1 in this region, and in the second region y varies as y is equal to y varies as here, this means it is y is equal to root x. It is in the first quadrant, means x is positive. It is in the fourth quadrant, means x is negative. Y is negative. In the fourth quadrant, y is negative. This is why we have taken y is equal to -1 and the value of y is equal to -x, because in the second region contains in the fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, x is positive, y is negative, means this. Means in this region, y varies as y is equal to -1 to -1 by x, y varies as -1 to -1 by x, x varies as x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 1. It is the point, it is p1 1 minus 1. X varies as x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 1. In this upper region, y varies as root x, because it contains in the first quadrant. Y varies as y is equal to root x to y is equal to 1. X varies as x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 1. Means after changing the order of integration, the given region divided into two sub integrals. This region and divided into two sub regions, this and this. Means after changing order of integration, the integral over -1 to 1 0 to y square f x y dx dy is equal to integral over 0 to 1 -1 to minus root x f x y dx dy plus 0 to 1 integral minus x to 1 f x y dy dx. Means it is the change of order of integration of the given integral over -1 to 1 and integral over 0 to y square f x y dx dy. Next example, change the order of integration and evaluate integral over 0 to a, second limit a minus under root a square minus y square, upper limit a plus a square minus y square dx dy. Since it contains variable limit of y, a minus under root a square minus y square, upper limit a plus a square minus y square. Since it contains variable limit of y, means it is a limit of x, x varies as it is a limit of x, lower limit of x is a minus under root a square minus y square, and upper limit of x is a plus a square minus y square. It contains variable limit of y, means it is the limit of x, and the limit of y is equal to 0 to y is equal to 0 to y is equal to 1, y is equal to 0 to y is equal to it is y is equal to 1. It is y is equal to a, not 1, but it is y is equal to a. It is the upper limit of here x limit of lower limit of x is a minus a square minus y square to upper limit of x is a plus a square minus y square, and lower limit of y is equal to 0 and upper limit of y is equal to a. Since the variable limit depends on y, the function is integrated first with respect to x. We have already mentioned limit of x is x is equal to minus a square minus y square under root 2 a plus under root a square minus y square along the horizontal step limit of y is equal to 0 to y is equal to a. The point of intersection of circle, it is a circle with x axis are 0 0 and 2a. It is the circle, it is the upper limit, it is circle here x is equal to a plus a square minus y square or x minus a whole square is equal to a square minus y square, means x minus a square plus y square is equal to a square. It is a circle with center a0 and radius a and radius a. It is a circle. Similarly, lower limit is the lower half of the circle. This x is equal to a plus under root a square minus y square. Take a left side, we get x minus, squaring it we get this. Take transpose y square left side, we get x minus a square whole square plus y square is equal to a square. It is center is a0 and radius is a, means it is a circle with center a0 and radius a. It is radius a, center a0, radius a. It is radius a, it is a, diameter is 2a, means this point is upper point on the x axis is 2a 0 this, and it is the point P whose coordinates are a, x is equal to a, y is equal to a here. To change the order of integration, that is to integrate first with respect to y, draw a vertical strip parallel to the y axis, which start from x axis and terminate on the circle. We here we draw a parallel strip, parallel to the axis of y, this, parallel to the axis of y. It is here, it is y is equal to 0 and it is y is equal to, means here x minus a whole square plus y square is equal to a square, means y is equal to a square minus x minus a whole square y square is equal to, means y square is equal to a square minus x square plus a square minus 2ax, this means y square is equal to a and a cancelled out, we have 2a twice ax minus x square, means y is equal to under root 2ax minus x square. It is the value of y. Y is equal to, here y is equal to under root 2a x minus x square, and lower limit of y is this, and we have given it is the limit of x, lower limit of x is minus it is minus a square minus y square, and it is the upper limit of x, x is equal to a plus a square minus y square. It is given and we have to find out variable limit of x, variable limit of y, means y varies as 0 to this and x varies as 0 to 2a. Means limit of y is equal to y is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 to y is equal to 2ax minus x square, and x varies as x is equal to 0 to 2a, means it is the change of order of integration. It is a circle and it is the change after changing the order of integration. After changing the order of integration, we have the double integral x varies as 0 to y varies as 0 to a, x varies as a minus a square minus y square to a plus a square minus y square dx dy is equal to 0 to 2a, and y varies as 0 to under root twice ax dy dx. Means first we have to integrate with respect to y having variable limit, means the integral of dy is y, putting limit lower limit vanishes, we get under root 2ax minus x square dx 8a square integral 0 to pi by 2. We put how to find the value of this integration. Put x is equal to 2a sin square theta, substituting we get this. It is easy to integrate, it is beta function, and after simplification we get pi a square by 2. Change the order of integration and evaluate this integral y having variable limit, limit of y, change of order of integration, evaluate this. Since y having variable limit, hence it is the limit of x, means we have to draw the parallel line, parallel step parallel to the axis of x, and we get the point of integration, we get the point is x is equal to 1 point and minus 2 point. To change the order of integration, to integrate first with respect to x, divide the region into two sub regions, draw horizontal strip parallel to the axis of x, we get the sub regions and limits are this. The given integral after change of order of integration, we have it is the first region and it will be the second region. This line divides, it is the first integral and it will be the second integral. We get this integral, we get the after changing order of integration, we get this plus this. Since x containing variable limit, hence we integrate with respect to y, we get this. After solving, we get this 3 by 8 is the answer.